name is Samantha, and today I'm going to show you my 3 favorite features on the ES300H. One of my favorite features is a 360 view. This is a great feature to use to get into tight spaces. My second favorite feature is the cooling and heating seats. It's great for summers and winters. My third favorite feature is the hold button. The hold button allows the car to hold the brake for you. This is a great feature to use when you're on a steep hill. You know this is active when you see the orange and green hold light on your dashboard. And those are my 3 favorite features in the ES300H. Stay tuned for more.